Welcome to this video on NFT royalties, where we'll explore how creators earn money from secondary sales of their digital artwork and collectibles. NFT royalties are automatic payments that creators receive every time their NFT is resold on secondary markets. Unlike traditional art sales, where the artist only profits from the initial sale, NFT royalties allow creators to earn continuously. These royalty payments are programmed directly into the blockchain smart contract when the NFT is created, ensuring creators benefit from their work indefinitely. The process is straightforward. First, when creating an NFT, the artist sets a royalty percentage they want to receive from future sales. Then, whenever the NFT is resold on a marketplace, the smart contract automatically executes. Finally, the creator receives their royalty payment directly to their wallet without any manual intervention or intermediaries. Most NFT creators set their royalty rates between 5 and 10% of the resale price. This is the standard range across most platforms. The beauty of this system is that creators have full control and can choose their own royalty percentage when they first mint their NFT. Let's look at a practical example. Imagine an NFT is resold for $10,000, and the creator has set a 10% royalty rate. This means the creator would automatically receive $1,000 from that sale. This happens every single time the NFT changes hands, providing ongoing passive income for the creator. On the technical side, NFT royalties are implemented using the ERC-2981 standard on the Ethereum blockchain. This is a standardized protocol that defines how royalty information should be retrieved and processed. The royalty percentage and recipient wallet address are encoded directly into the smart contract at the time of minting, making the system transparent and automated. Despite the elegant design, NFT royalties face some significant challenges. First, they're not technically enforceable at the blockchain level. Some marketplaces choose not to honor royalty payments to attract more buyers and sellers. Second, royalties are platform-dependent, meaning they only work if the marketplace where the NFT is sold chooses to implement and respect them. This has created ongoing debate in the NFT community about the future of creator compensation. To summarize, NFT royalties provide creators with ongoing revenue from secondary market sales through blockchain automation. This revolutionary system allows artists and creators to benefit from the appreciation of their work over time, fundamentally changing how digital creators can monetize their art. However, the effectiveness of royalties ultimately depends on marketplace cooperation and community standards.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.